What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kenshiro Gadgets. Today I'm bringing you the top 5 air conditioners you should consider this year. Best cooling, best features, and best value for your money. And let's get into it.
Comfort should be effortless. Senville mini split systems allow you to enjoy that comfort at its most effortless, so you can relax and enjoy the things you like doing most with complete comfort. Because it's ductless, Senville air conditioners can be installed anywhere, so whichever room you're heating or cooling, you'll enjoy the perfect temperature year-round with minimal noise. And its inverter system saves energy, making it a more affordable, efficient, and greener way to heat and cool any room. Senville, giving you effortless comfort.
The air conditioning expert around you, ROVSUN. Fresh and cold air. 4-in-1 unit. Enjoy a sweet night's sleep. Advanced inverter technology. Weather and rust resistant for long working life. Meet our air conditioners. ROVSUN, the air conditioning expert around you.
Cooper and Hunter presents our MIA series, our smallest yet powerful mini split, ranging from 6 to 24,000 BTU. The Smart Kit is the best option. You can have full control of your device while using your phone. The Turbo mode cools your space in minutes, and Silent mode makes everything quiet. Please keep in mind that this mini split only works in single-zone systems. The auto swing, multi-fan speed, and LED display are other features to enjoy about MIA. A carbon filter is included with your purchase, and thanks to our inverter technology, you can save on the electricity bill. With sleep mode, you don't have to think about power usage. Our Follow Me mode gives you peace of mind about temperatures, and the timer feature helps you turn off your device. Cooper and Hunter, addicted to comfort.
This is MRCOOL's new Easy Pro Mini Split. It comes in 9K, 12K, 18K, and 24K BTU. And it's DIY, which means you save money and don't have to hire a contractor. When you have everything ready, plug in your smart controller under the hood of your air handler. This way you can control it from your phone, Google Assistant, or Alexa with the MRCOOL HVAC app. And just like that, you're now ready to enjoy your new comfortable space thanks to the MRCOOL Easy Pro Mini Split. For other impressive MRCOOL options and accessories, just check out MrCool.com today. MRCOOL, comfort made simple.
Thank you for choosing DELLA as your home comfort solution. We're confident that our product will help improve the quality of your life, and that's what's most important to us. Well, our mini splits are easy to use. Proper installation is key, and that's why we want to share 5 things that you should know before installation. Step 1, location installation is critical. Not all locations are created equally, and the correct placement of the AC unit is crucial to ensuring efficiency. The indoor model must be at least 6 inches below the ceiling for proper airflow. Verify the proper clearances for your model, which you'll find in the user manual under Installation Preview section. Be sure to keep it within the piping length and the maximum elevation. Test the wall to ensure that it's sturdy enough to hold the model's weight without vibrating. Keep the inlet and outlet clear of any obstruction. Install the indoor model 10 feet or 3 meters away from any TV or radio appliance to prevent any interference. Finally, the outdoor model, which must be spaced away from the wall. Ensure no plants are within 3 feet of the appliance. Number 2, handle the refrigerant pipes perfectly. We highly recommend using a bending tool, but if you don't have one, bend the pipes very slowly. Take your time to make sure that you don't break them. Damaged pipes are generally bent sharply, they feel prickly, and they will leak. Number 3, bundle the line set correctly. After installing the indoor model, ensure that the set line is angled downward and that the drain pipe is pointed straight down. This will allow any liquid to flow correctly and prevent leaks. Number 4, vacuum pump the refrigerant circuit. Now it's time for the most important step, vacuuming your lines. This is critical as it removes air and moisture for maximum efficiency. You'll need to vacuum for at least 15 minutes for each line set, depending on the strength of your pump. And remember, for multi-zone systems, you'll have to vacuum each line set separately and for varying amounts of time depending on the length of the line set. We recommend using a micron gauge to reach 500 microns. If using a manifold gauge, aim for -30 psi. Finally, you need to add refrigerant if your line set exceeds 25 feet. Number 5, ensure safe electrical connection. Always verify your connection for safety. When choosing the correct breaker, check your home's voltage for either 110 or 220 and select the appropriate size and quality wire for the mini split system, ensuring it's UL listed for safety. Thank you for taking the time to learn these 5 essential tips before installing your DELLA mini split. By following them, your installation will be a breeze. For any questions, please don't hesitate to contact DELLA directly. We are here to help, and we hope that you enjoy your new home comfort.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.